crop. I know it's not great. But I just wanted to, just while I was at home, rather than take it down the plot. Excuse me a moment. I don't know what happened through Christmas with these guys. But finally, we've got what is the February 2021 edition of Kitchen Garden magazine. We're going to have a quick look at this. So as always, we'll start with the seeds. There is no Grow Your Own magazine to compare it against because we've looked at theirs. That was the seed planner that's up there. I'm going to make this a real quick video. Not going to bother with any intro. We'll just keep going. So don't forget, guys, hit that like and subscribe button. There's lots of seeds with this issue of Kitchen Garden. This was picked up in Tesco's. Already I'm seeing some that I'm not going to sow and some that I've got a lot of. So, yeah, a lot of this actually is going to go in the giveaway tin, which reminds me, that is still ongoing. It's ongoing till the end of January 2021. Don't forget, it is only open to UK residents, guys. I'm terribly sorry, but at the moment, I cannot send seeds abroad. So anyway, let's start. So first things first, we've got Paris Market 5 Atlas carrots. I am going to be giving these another go next year, but I've already got about 3 packets. I don't want any more, so they'll be going in the giveaway tin. Next, we've got parsnip tender and true, some nice fresh seeds, packed this year, or this fiscal year it seems that King Seed use. They will also be going in the giveaway. I've got about 4 packets of parsnip seeds to sow this year, so they will go in the giveaway tin also. Another one for the giveaway tin, cabbage Greyhound, a really good cabbage. I can't fault it enough. Grows really quick. You can start it off next month in February. But once again, I've got my cabbage seeds from Grow Seed this year. Little Gem, another one I grow constantly. But once again, I've got my seeds for this year. So I'm not going to be selfish. I'm not going to keep these. I'm going to give them away to you guys. Can't beat Little Gem. It's fast little lettuce. Done successionally sowing, you can actually grow it nearly all the year round. This one, you know what, this one's for me. I'm going to sow some of these in an upcoming video. And it's pepper chili long slim, which to me just looks like a standard chili. So we're going to have some of this, and I'm hopefully going to invest in a dehydrator and a good spice grinder, and we're going to make his own chili powder. So these are for me. But that's not it. So that's 5 packets. We actually have 10 in total. Going to go in the giveaway some tomatoes, Gardener's Delight. Can't beat them. Great tomato. I'm going to say something here. A lot of people are saying I'm sowing my tomatoes. Please, 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 slow down. If you do want to sow some now, please only sow half the amount. It's a bit early. Give me a sec, there's somebody at the door. So where were we? Yes. Gardener's Delight. Hi, Charlie.
Hello.
Gardener's Delight. Sorry, I won't put that in front of your face while you're trying to say hello to the people.
Hello.
Yes, what we were saying. Tomatoes. Slow down. Stop sowing them, people. If you want to sow them, sow half what you plan on growing. Honestly, in my opinion, now is far too early. They will grow. You may well get them to germinate, but there's not enough hours of daylight. Now, the one exception to planting them now is if you want to put them under grow lights or something like that. They'll do relatively well under grow lights, but you're not really going to gain a massive crop. In my opinion, last year I sowed some in February, some in March, and I think I even sowed some in April. And the ones that were sown in March, April, did better and lasted longer than the ones I sowed in February. So please, don't jump the gun. But I'm not going to be keeping these. These are going to you guys, as are these. Once again, I've got plenty spring onion seeds. At least I think I have. These might not be in the tin. I need to double check, see how many onion seeds I've got, but I'm pretty sure I've got a packet of Ishikura, which are my favourite. But White Lisbon are really nice, and these can go in as of next month, really. Radish, sparkler. It's a great radish. Nothing wrong with that. You can pretty much sow radish all year round if you're going to sow them inside. Check out London Worms and Gardens, and also I did a video with his permission of how to grow radish from start to finish in some cells. I'll try and remember to put a link up in the corner, but I'm going to give those away. We've got another leek. You may or may not have just seen a video where I've just sown some leeks. So we're going to put these in. These are lion leeks. And apparently they're great show leeks. Don't grow for show. Not that interested. And I've got about 3 packets of Musselburgh to get through. So you guys can have those. Now then, this is actually, I'm glad you're here. Because we've discussed growing this a couple of times, haven't we?
Yeah.
Have I swayed you into giving it a try?
Yeah, after a few other tries of kale, I think we might do it.
So this is a dark green kale,
And it's
and
Italian as well.
it's a lot like spinach, really.
More than kale.
Well, it's tough like kale, but it tastes like spinach. And that is Nero di Toscano, you know, that one. I don't often grow kale. It is a superfood. So I'm keeping that one as well. So out of those 10 packets of seeds, guys, you've got 8 of them going in the giveaway thing.
So the good thing about Kitchen Garden seed packets that they show you the name on the back.
It makes it easier to read out to the people.
Yeah.
So we'll have a quick look. Let me just have a quick scan because I'm opening this with you. I've not even looked at this. So we've got a parsnip step-by-step guide. We've got a 5-page special, KG's Guide to Tasty Tomatoes. I'm going to have a look at that. In fact, we'll have a look at that together now, very quickly.
Because I really like my tomatoes.
You do, yes, you do really like your tomatoes.
Especially when it comes to spinach.
Well, yeah, that's what we're focusing on this year, isn't it? We're focusing on cooking tomatoes, not eating tomatoes, because eating tomatoes all get eaten down on the allotment, don't they?
Yes.
I'm going to have a quick scan of this KG's Guide to Tomatoes. I'm just having a quick scan of this. So what to choose. Getting started. Let's have a look. So where to start? Check the seed catalogues. I'm just wondering if they're saying whether to sow now. I like that. You can sow in a propagator. Yeah, these propagators are great, and that's the Vitapod from Greenhouse Sensation. Great if you've got £200 to buy one. Okay. I don't. But guides on how to sow them. I think that's a bit ironic, Kitchen Garden. Come on. You're showing seeds.
They don't even look like tomato seeds.
No, they do look. They are tomato seeds. They came with Grow Your Own, not Kitchen Garden.
What?
Yeah, they're the Gardener's Delight that came with Kitchen Garden magazine, because these guys don't give away Thompson & Morgan seeds. They give away Kings.
King?
Yeah. Come on, guys, use your own seed packets. Anyway. Yeah, there's lots of information here. I'm interested as to what they're saying about blossom end rot. I see they've got a picture of it. Blossom end rot is caused by lack of calcium in the developing fruits, which leads to a sunken black spot appearing at the end of the fruit. The cause is usually lack of water at the roots, which prevents the uptake of calcium by the compost. Regular watering is therefore the key during dry spells. Spot on. Spot on. They're bang on there. It is a calcium deficiency. It is caused by underwatering. It is equally caused by overwatering, however. You have to get it right. Paul over on Veggie Grow How on Facebook, I do advise you go over and have a look at that group. I'm an admin on there, as is Paul. We've got Mick, we've got Hannah. There's great knowledge in there. He did a great series live on YouTube, and they're all still on, not on YouTube, on Facebook. and they're all still on the Facebook channel on tomatoes and tomato rescue from last year, and he's going to do it again this year. So do head on over if you're on Facebook. I'll try and link to the group in the description below. But that's it. Yeah. So the seeds, excellent selection with the seeds. Really good selection with the seeds.
Once I saw these on, I laughed because they were round. I'm not used to round carrots.
We've got some of them growing.
Ah.
We've overwintered some. They're in the polytunnel. You've also got, if you want to subscribe, there's a current promotion on subscription. Remember, however, if you do subscribe, you don't get all these seeds every month. You get 10 packets when you sign up, and you get, I think, a couple of packets with each issue. You do save a lot of money, however. I've never done the sums, but I mean, if these seeds were on average, well, I'll tell you what, if these seeds were 99p a pack, every seed pack, every week, I mean, they've got RRPs on them, but if they were 99p every week, the magazine is $5.99. Yeah, the magazine is $5.99. So you're getting the magazine, and on average between 5 to 10 packets of seeds every week. You're not losing out, are you? Not really. If you buy it from your local newsagents. Not only that, you're supporting a local business if you buy from your newsagents. I don't have one that stocks this magazine, unfortunately, and I have spoken to a couple of them, and they're not interested in stocking it. So
that's sad.
That is sad. So anyway, I know I said I wasn't going to do these anymore, but I've had so many messages and so many comments saying that they really do appreciate me doing these magazine reviews. I am going to keep them going as best I can.
Depending on if we can get them.
It does depend on the magazines. Like I said, I don't know if we've missed an issue or one didn't come out through Christmas, but this is the earliest. This is the next issue I've seen after the one we did with the garden planner that came with the gloves and things like that. Really good seed selection. Really, really good seed selection. A lot of very standard seeds. Those are the two that I want to keep. They're all going in the giveaway tin, which is here somewhere, I think, isn't it? We'll get them in the giveaway tin anyway. So don't forget, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget, head over to the video, which is it January or December's plot tour? It's the plot tour that was released in January, but I think it says December plot tour. Give me a sec, and I'll double check that. It is, yeah. It is the December plot tour 2020. Head on over to that video. The instructions are at the end of the video, but you have to watch the video. There is one caveat in the video. I don't ask you to subscribe or anything like that. You just have to watch the video. They won't be able to hear you, Charlie.
Ew.
I've got the microphone here.
Ew.
Anyway, as Charlie just said, please like, share and subscribe to the videos. I hope you enjoy the content. Don't forget to talk to me in the comments below on YouTube. I very rarely get on Facebook. Apart from Veggie Grow How. Head on over to that group. Please do. Paul puts a lot of time in. Mick puts a lot of time in. Hannah shows some great pictures of her garden, and she does a great job. And I just kind of sit in the wings and share my videos and join in on conversations when I get a chance. But like I said, I don't get much time on Facebook. So we're going to head down the plot tomorrow, or I'm going to head down the plot tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to drag the kids down. It depends how cold and wet it is. And we'll do some tidying up down on the allotment. So I'll see you later.